Palestinian rallies continues near Gaza-Israel buffer zone. Palestine refuses to take part in US-led Manama meeting. Israeli PM thanks Egypt Sisi for helping fighting fires. Trump approves sending 1,500 more troops to Middle East. Sending more US forces heightens Gulf tension. Iran will see end of Trump foreign minister. Severe rainfall, flooding kills 24 in Iran, official. Yemen's Houthis hit Saudi airport for third time in 72 hours. Sudan military leader departs Riyadh after short visit. Pro-Haftar forces target parliament in Libyan capital. Arson attack targets mosques in Hagen, Germany. UN urges Myanmar to take action for Rohingya return.